Generic conveying systems in wood pulp to textile plants struggle with abrasive, high-volume wood chips, causing spillage, dust, uneven flow, and material loss. That's where Dhanvanthri Engineers sets the benchmark of cutting losses, stabilizing flow, and keeping production non-stop. In demanding industries like textile, paper, coal, cement, minerals, chemicals, glass, and many more. Along with high productivity and profitability, we provide fully operational conveyor system with a 24 months warranty. We don't just deliver conveyors, we deliver peace of mind. Our scope begins at the wood chipper, where raw wood is cut into chips. A screw feeder positioned between the wood chipper and the BC3 belt conveyor regulates the transfer. The chips then travel along the BC3 belt conveyor towards the transfer tower. This part is equipped with two-way flap gates that transfer the chipped wood into two different vibrating screens placed on the two sides. From here, depending on the size of the chipped wood, it passes through the different channels. Oversized chips are diverted by BC8 conveyor and BC9 conveyor for rechipping refined further and seamlessly reintroduced into the system. Fine particles in sawdust are simultaneously extracted through the dust conveyor, collected efficiently, and repurposed for industrial use. Only perfectly sized chips continue forward up to the digester feed building. Passing through the BC13 conveyor, the wood chips travel through the digester feed and shuttle conveyors that deliver metered, consistent chips, completing our end-to-end conveying solution for superior textile pulp production. The conveying system is fully erected and commissioned at site with a 2-year warranty. Returns on investment include superior and accelerated performance with maximum productivity. The system provides for low operational spends due to smart energy management. Built for complete reliability, we at Dhanvanthri Engineers are always available to assist you for seamless operations. Ready to bring this level of performance to your next project? Let's discuss how we can customize a winning solution for you. Visit our website to know more about us and call us for any engineering solutions.